Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, all right. Now, this is it right here, guys. So basically, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make this an amazing weight loss recipe. All you need is coffee and lime or lemon. Perfect for this weight loss. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab myself 2 lovely teaspoons of coffee. All right, original coffee I'm using. All right, guys, I know you may say, Chef Ricardo, why you're doing such a video like this? All right, but look at this. And what we're going to do, squeeze half a lime juice in it. All right, a little bit more. Beautiful. All right, simple but also delicious. All right, now all I'm going to do is pour some hot water in it like this. All right, simple. And do this, and that's it. Drink it before you go to bed tonight.